Hello, I'm forecaster Brian Ivey. On this Wednesday NeoWeather video forecast, there is a chance for some strong to perhaps severe storms. I'm going to break all that down for you and give you the down low on how much of a chance your area has. Plus, what about those temperatures? Are we going to be able to break up into the 80s today and finally see some sunshine? I will have that for you coming up. An area of circulation as a low pressure system there in Illinois helping to bring in some of these clouds and showers to the Ohio Valley. Right now Cincinnati to Dayton along I-75 seeing some rain, as well as Columbus and Coshocton, and these showers right here are going to be moving into Dover, New Philadelphia right now, Canton, Minerva, Alliance, and eventually Youngstown as they continue to creep northeastward. Overall, mostly cloudy to partly sunny skies across the area. There is a chance for some stronger storms. Make sure to stay connected with NeoWeather all day long, and we'll have more updates on that in just a little bit during this video forecast. Current temperatures across the area generally in the mid-70s, with 78 degrees being the warm spot there in Lorain, at 74 New Philly, 74 Akron, Canton, 73 in Cleveland, and 76 in Youngstown here at about 12:30. And as you saw on the NeoWeather 3D Max, we have plenty of those clouds around, and yeah, it's true, over the greater Cleveland area right now, a mostly cloudy sky, but we did have some peaks of sunshine earlier, and of course other portions of NEO are seeing some sun. Not too bad for a day on the water, not too choppy out there, but we do have the risk for some strong to severe storms. Overall, a low risk here, mainly east of I-71, including western PA, Maryland, Virginia, West Virginia as well, so the Mid-Atlantic stands the threat for some severe weather. A little bit more on the probabilities for which type of severe weather could affect you in just a little bit. Officially no rainfall yesterday in Cleveland, even though there were some isolated showers out there. We did have some scattered showers move through overnight, but not really dropping too much rain. 78 degrees is our average temperature for today. We will be a little bit above average from that. 93 the record, no 90s in the near future, but we will have a definite warm-up. Stay tuned to the 7-day forecast to find out how warm we'll get. Speaking of a warm-up, this is a warm front that moved through the area overnight, allowing for a surge of moisture. It's pretty humid out there, obviously, and these pop-up storms will form in the warm sector and move across the area. Eventually, this low-pressure system will push off towards the east and drag a weak cold front through northeastern Ohio in the next couple of days. But today, we will see relatively warm and muggy conditions, a high temperature of 81, south-southwesterly winds blowing at about 10 to 20 miles per hour there for the greater Akron-Canton area. And then as we look at temperatures, 79 there 2 p.m., 81 for the high, and then 78 for 7 p.m. Better storm chances as we go on throughout the afternoon into the evening hours. Same thing pretty much in the greater Cleveland area. We'll bump it up one more click for a high temperature of 82 degrees there. Falling back tonight, 66 with those scattered thunderstorms around, mainly for the first half of the overnight, I believe. That stands our best chance, mainly between 7 p.m. and 3 a.m. or so. Let's take a look at where those severe probabilities are. So if you do get a strong to severe storm, the best risk will be for damaging winds. Overall, the tornado risk is low, but I can't rule out an isolated weak tornado east of I-77, and then large hail flooding risk is also on the low side. Let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. Pretty similar weather for Thursday, 81. Pretty humid overall. A hit and miss storm certainly possible, falling back to 61 there at night. 75, partly cloudy skies, a few isolated showers in the wake of a weak cold front that will move through. Say that 5 times fast. Sunny skies there on Saturday. Really a picture perfect day, 76 degrees. Then we warm things up again and get a little bit more humid with mostly sunny skies, mid-80s Sunday. And then as we go into the beginning portion of next week, it's going to really be one of our first stretches of mid-80s for a few days in a row, and it will be a little bit on the humid side. That will fire off some storms there for Tuesday with a high temperature of 84. I am forecaster Brian Ivey. Have a great day.